Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, climate control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.